everybody, welcome back to the shop. Let's recap on part one. Holly and I started the assembly of this amazing Laguna dust collection system. We just decided we would go for it and see how it went, and yeah, it was just a mockery of our inability to read. You know, if you missed it, make sure you check it out. At the end of that, I had to call our landlord, Gary, because we had to stand it back up, and there was no way Holly and I were picking this up by ourselves. You would think things would get better from there, but it's us. Check out part number two.
Oh, interesting.
What?
Oh,
If
never
you tell
mind.
me you found parts in there, we're gonna fight.
No, it looked like it was bent from the plastic, but it's just rubber. It's dented a little bit from the however it was laid.
Yeah, that or us dropping it, or me,
I mean, it's rubber. It's like it forms.
me, you know, getting it out of the
Different
truck.
We're gonna fight.
I think it's so funny that this morning when we're hyper caffeinated,
Yeah, another swung in the opposite direction.
yeah, you know,
Yeah, I
a
mean,
big ziti lunch with, you know, cheese on cheese does nothing but creates an environment where
yeah.
I just don't want to
baby.
move.
Don't ask me.
A left side and a right side. To identify, look for the protruding. It should be facing upward.
And inward, right?
It says upwards when you place the bars on the floor.
Okay, so I'm assuming it goes like that.
No.
All right, favorite movie.
Big Lebowski,
What?
Royal Tenenbaums.
Oh, okay. Well, I have no idea what that is.
You said you don't know what that is?
Yeah. I mean, I've heard
The
of it,
Big
but I've never
Lebowski?
seen it. I've actually never seen it.
Oh my God. You're starting to scare me, Scott.
There are moments that you wish the camera was running and they weren't. For the longest time, the Ingenious Design sticker, even though it says this ingenious design allows you to swivel the drum lid plus or minus 30 degrees, we need caffeine with our water. We're totally food coma. and we didn't understand what that meant, so we've been struggling for about, I don't know, 25 minutes?
Not that long, like 5 minutes.
10 minutes, and then we could have just done this.
So you need this piece to align the drum lid up to the filter, and we had to dig through the pile of cardboard and whatnot, and it was like this with nothing of this cut out, like it was just a random piece of cardboard in there.
Yeah, that we were gonna put in the truck.
Luckily I was able to find it.
Yeah, maybe a hair more, that's too far. That looks pretty close.
Okay.
You're just like dumped everything on the floor and you're like, I'm going for it.
That's right.
I'm like, I don't even know what's happening, or I haven't even read that instruction.
Yeah, so I've been kicked off of the finish this up thing. Holly's had enough of me for one day. My second spouse, Faggy, showed up, and she wants to help, so they just literally took the screwdrivers and wrenches away from me, and this is what's going on in my shop. I've lost all control of my own space. So it's day 2 of the 5-hour project. I'm in early. Holly isn't here yet. She's going to be here at some point. All we have left to do on the dust collector is put the hopper together. So a really funny thing happened on the way to the forum. We were kind of treating this like an IKEA project. As much as Holly was making fun of me yesterday about reading instructions, we had an entire bag left of flat washers, and we couldn't find 4 bolts. Or the nuts for that matter. So after her and Faggy left last night, I took the whole thing apart and found where we used the wrong bolts and found the 4 bolts that we were missing. Never found the nuts other than this one. So put it back together and got out of here late. I'm gonna put the hopper together before she gets here today, and then we're gonna try and set up where it's gonna go. But this has been a really fun and interesting build, and really can't wait to hook this thing up. This machine appears to be absolutely amazing. Coming by. I hope you enjoyed the video, and while you're here, you may want to check out these other videos. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button, and most importantly, get in your shop, build beautiful things, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.